Welcome to The Explainer. I'm so thrilled you're tuning in today because honestly, we're unpacking a massive shift in the digital art and professional design landscape. We're looking straight into the reality of 2026, where the tools we use to create imagery are evolving at just, well, lightning speed. Specifically, we're diving into the rise of completely free AI mid-journey killers. These are the tools that are fundamentally transforming professional design workflows and completely redefining how we create high-end digital art.
Okay, so let's set the stage by contrasting the old standard with the new reality. Think about what we've been putting up with. On one side, you've got those expensive monthly software subscriptions, weird AI glitches, and just the sheer frustration of spending hours trying to get an AI to generate a normal-looking image, right? But on the other side, we're looking at a brand new era of flawless, free, studio-grade masterpieces. We are literally talking about platforms that hand you hyper-realistic results for $0. It's completely changing the digital art game.
Which, of course, brings us to the elephant in the room. Are paid AI generators obsolete? If you're a professional currently locked into a pricey monthly software subscription, the stakes here are incredibly high. Why on earth would you keep paying when you can get vastly superior results for free? By the end of this explainer, I have a feeling you might just find yourself reconsidering your entire software budget. So here's our roadmap for today. We're going to start with the high cost of AI. Then we'll jump into three incredible tools: Flux for photorealism, Ideogram for typography, and Playground for infinite editing. Finally, we'll wrap up with the future of digital art. Section 1. The high cost of AI and breaking down the bottlenecks.
We really need to establish exactly what's been holding professional content creators back in this current, expensive state of AI art creation. It's not just about generating a pretty picture anymore, is it? It's about solving real professional pain points. I mean, getting an AI to generate realistic hands without weird alien-like mutations has been a notorious nightmare for all of us. And rendering perfect English text on graphics? Almost impossible without some strange glitches. Not to mention, getting precise editing control over your final canvas has always been a massive hurdle. These are the specific workflow bottlenecks we're solving today.
Section 2. Flux and perfecting photorealism. Let's look at our first major workflow upgrade for high-end content creation. Enter Flux.1. This is an open-source generator that specializes in hyper-realistic rendering, flawless text, and yes, perfect human hands. If you're a content creator who needs custom thumbnails or a professional relying on hyper-realistic human skin textures, Flux is absolutely the ultimate solution. It seamlessly handles all those tiny, minute details that used to instantly give away an image as AI generated, and it renders them beautifully. The leap in quality here is honestly almost humorous. As our sources noted, Flux literally makes Midjourney look like MS Paint. Just let that sink in for a second. The tool that essentially defined high-end AI image generation is now being compared to a legacy desktop drawing app. That's just how incredibly powerful this new open-source beast really is. Moving on to Section 3, Ideogram and flawless typography design. This is the ultimate hack for graphic designers and branding professionals. Ideogram is a generator that places text exactly where you want it, entirely avoiding those weird AI spelling glitches. If you work in design, you know the absolute frustration of generating a gorgeous graphic only to find the text is completely scrambled and nonsensical. Well, Ideogram is the definitive answer to that notoriously frustrating spelling problem. It actually understands how to render English text perfectly. What this does is build a flawless, rapid prototyping environment for some very specific professional applications. Say you need a vintage poster design, Ideogram handles the typography flawlessly. Or maybe you're pitching clean vector logos. It places the text exactly where it belongs. And if you're working on complex typography for merch, this tool is entirely unmatched. It allows graphic designers to rapidly prototype professional-grade concepts without spelling errors slowing the whole process down. Section 4. Playground and infinite canvas editing. Now we're zeroing in on the advanced editing features that are absolutely necessary for professional retouching. Playground AI is a web-based platform featuring an unlimited canvas. It allows you to intuitively edit, expand, and erase parts of your images. The crucial takeaway here is that Playground completely shatters the rigid boundaries of standard prompt boxes. You aren't just typing into a little text box and crossing your fingers, hoping for the best. This platform gives you total spatial freedom to manipulate the image exactly how you want it. Let's walk through how you actually take precise control of your final canvas. Step 1, you open up the infinite canvas, which gives you limitless spatial room to work. Step 2, you use intuitive, simple brushstrokes to edit or erase the exact parts of your image that you want to refine. And step 3, you can instantly change the background or paint over elements. It gives you the kind of precise editing control that professionals demand. It really acts as a true, unrestricted creative workspace. Section 5. The future of digital art. It's time to bring all these incredible professional use cases together into one big picture. And here is the ultimate jaw-dropper: $0. That is the exact cost for these studio-grade, hyper-realistic workflow upgrades. We are talking about generating perfect hands and skin with Flux, doing flawless typography prototyping with Ideogram, and having infinite canvas editing control with Playground. And all of it is accessible right now for absolutely $0. Our sources summarize the immense power of these free platforms with one striking quote: basically, Photoshop on absolute steroids. I mean, hit the nail on the head, right? That's exactly what you're getting here. It's not just a cute alternative to Midjourney. It is a complete suite of rapid prototyping and precision editing tools that completely upgrades the traditional graphic design workflow. So I want to end this explainer with a pretty provocative question. With studio-grade masterpieces available for $0, what exactly is the future of traditional design software in 2026? If you're still shelling out cash for expensive monthly subscriptions, I really challenge you to reconsider your current software stack. The direct links to these web-based tools are out there, ready to be tested. Go explore them, upgrade your workflow, and see for yourself how much the game has changed. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and stay curious.